If your Kia Sportage just clicks or stays silent when you turn the key, these three issues are the most likely culprits. 70% of no-start calls are simply down to a dead battery or loose terminal connections. Before you call a tow truck, follow this logical path to isolate the problem. Start by checking the battery terminals for corrosion, observing the dash lights, and confirming your transmission is fully in park. If the battery is fine, you are likely looking at a failed starter motor or a blown starter relay. If the engine cranks but won't catch, focus your search on the fuel pump or the crankshaft position sensor. You can handle simple electrical swaps yourself, but internal pump or starter replacements are best left to a professional. Costs vary wildly, which is why accurate diagnosis saves you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary parts. Use a multimeter to verify voltage and an OBD-I scanner to catch specific error codes before buying parts. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and using proper jack stands before crawling under your vehicle. Remember, patience in your diagnosis will always prevent the expensive mistake of throwing parts at the wrong problem. If this helped you get your Sportage back on the road, leave a comment and subscribe for more repair guides.